Hey everyone, my name is Riley, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to optimize your SEO for a System.io funnel. Now before we jump in, if you want to get access to my free System.io funnel pack that includes done for you funnel templates, email sequences, and a full beginner training, you can get access to this for completely free using the link in the description. So jumping right into System, and I will do this over the shoulder, I will show you me optimizing the SEO for a page that currently isn't optimized. So if we just go over to sites right here, we want to go to sales funnels and then go into the sales funnel that contains the pages that you want to optimize. So I'll just go into this one right here. This is a replica of the main opt-in funnel that I use for my channel. So what we can do is we can copy this to the clipboard right here. We can go ahead and paste this in. And right now we can see this is not SEO optimized at all. Right here at the top, the title is just the link of the page. It has no description for Google or other search engines. It has no social media image. So these are things that we need to go in and optimize. So to actually go in and change the SEO settings of this page, all we need to do is go into edit page over here. And then once we are on the page editor, we click into settings, and on this main left hand side control panel, we just scroll down until we see SEO optimization right here. Now what I'll do is I'll actually just pull this page back up and I'll show you what these different things are. So right here for the title is, first of all, at the top here where we can see the tab, this is where the title is going to show. And also if I just go ahead and type in hello on Google, we can see all of these websites right here. This is the title for all of these different websites. So for the title, I'm just going to go in and I'm going to call this funnel pack opt-in, just like this. We can choose the title. Then we can go down and we can create a description for this page. So when we are on Google or when we are on any of these other search engines, right here, we can see these are going to be the different descriptions. So this is what we want to enter into the description. So this is my description right here. Get access to my done for you System.io funnel pack with done for you funnels, email sequences, and System.io video training. Very important in here is that we actually need to include keywords. A lot of people get confused at this point or they are not informed. So they'll go in here and they'll think keywords only matter in here. It doesn't really matter in keywords for the description. Both of these needs to contain keywords, right? So make sure that your description has a lot of keywords in. For example, mine relating to my page is System.io, System.io funnel, done for you funnels, email sequences, System.io video training, all of these different things. Then in keywords, we want to go down and enter in different keywords that relate to your page. So different keywords that people are going to be searching on these search engines. And this is how we can rank for these keywords. So for me, I'm going to go for System.io, System.io done for you funnel. And each of these, by the way, each of these keywords needs to be separated with a comma. And then maybe we can go done for you funnel, free System.io training. You get the idea. We just make keywords relating to this. Then for the author, we can go in here and we can just enter the author's name. So this is going to be Holden Academy. And then finally, we just need to add the social media image. Now, what this is if you think about Facebook, when people post a link and an image shows up, or if you go on WhatsApp or iMessage and you send somebody a link and it comes up with like a picture within that link, this is what the social media image is. So we just click here to upload, and then we can upload this from our computer. So I'm just going to upload this image of myself right here. Once this is loaded in, we can then click on insert, and that's now added. And then down here, we can also choose if we want to hide this from search engines. So the reason that you would use this, the reason that you would keep this on, is if you are creating like a course page, or if you are creating a page that people should only be able to access once they have opted in. That's when you would want to hide this from search engines. But as this is my opt-in page, I'm going to allow this on search engines, and then we just have to go up and click on save. Once these changes have been made, if we just go up to the top right here and we click on refresh, we can see these changes have saved. This top bar now says funnel pack opt-in. So all of those changes have been saved, and this page is now SEO optimized. Now from here, the next step that you want to take, if you haven't already, is connecting a professional domain to System.io. Connecting a professional domain, so yourdomain.com, instead of the standard System.io domain, is actually going to make a much bigger impact to SEO than SEO would itself. So this is very important if you haven't already. If you have already done this, then the next step for you is going to be attracting even more organic traffic. So the next step that I would recommend you take is learning how to create a blog on system.io, as creating a blog is going to allow you to get a lot more page views to your website and to your funnel and get a lot more opt-ins and sales. Whichever path you choose, those videos should be on screen, or if not, they are both linked down in the description. With that being said, if you do want to speed things up further, my free done for you funnel pack is linked down in the description. That is an awesome resource, and that is really going to help you with system.io. Either way, that is how you can optimize SEO. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to smash that like button and tap that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy.